Hi, I'm a 35-year-old guy, and in this morning the scale just hit 107 kilograms. I'm tired of being tired. I had enough with all the excuses. I start today, and this day is the first day of 90-day challenge of body transformation. We're starting tomorrow. Tomorrow is today. Okay, this is my gym, not something fancy. Used to be a storage room full of junk, and I've cleared it out because I don't need fancy equipment or fancy subscription to a professional gym to lose weight. I just need discipline. I have my dumbbells here. I have this beautiful running band. I have this ab device, this beautiful tatami under. It's all I need to lose weight and to transform my body. And I will try this in a 90-day challenge, and everything I do I will document on video. Keep myself accountable. I've set for me for this 90-day challenge 3 big rules. First one is at least 30 minutes of movement in my home gym. The second one is not taking any liquid calories, soda or anything with sugar, just water. And the third one is to document everything. Even if I fail something, you will get to see it. A little energy, so I will do one more time the exercise for my hands. This is just the beginning. 90 days from now, I want to look at this video and not recognize the man I am today. If you want to see if I make it or I failed, hit the subscribe button to see my whole journey in this transformation. See you in the next few days for the next update. Let's get to work.